Good morning, students. In today's class, we will discuss about models. Models need and dare. Both are marginal models. Model need and dare. Both are marginal models because they are used as a principal verb and as a defective verb. Both need as well as dare. Principal verb as well as defective. Let's see the major uses of both. First, need. Need means requirement. As a principal verb, need explain to stand in need of, yeah, in other words, we can say that requirement. If it is used as a principal verb, it means this defines the sense of to stand in need of. For example, he needs money. It means this word is express requirement. And second one thing, as a principal verb, that this used in present tense. For example, need, the needs, past tense, needed, and past perfect, needed. It means whenever it is used as a principal verb, that is used as a principal tense, present tense, past tense, and past perfect tense. For example, he needs money. Yeah, in other example, we can write he needed money. It means this sentence is written in past tense. He needed money. This is in past tense. Next one, as a principal verb. First one as a principal verb. Second one is as a defective verb. Defective verb means as a auxiliary, as a helping verb. It implies necessity and obligation. Necessity and obligation, this sense is used as a defective verb. Whenever it is used as a defective verb, there will be main verb also in the same sentence. And these senses also used in interrogative as well as negative sentence. And one thing more, defective verb need only used in present tense. It is not used in past as well as past perfect. It is only used in present tense. For example, need I go there? This word need is also express compulsion, yeah, necessity. This word is also show necessity and compulsion. And this is also helping word here. And go, this is also main verb in this sentence. That's why this sentence is also written in the different form. And need is also as a defective verb. Next one is need not. In some circumstances that we can use the modal need not. Need not imply absence of necessity and obligation. No need of necessity and obligation. It means there is the modal of need not. And there is also imply necessity and obligation that we can use need as a defective verb. For example, you need go there. He will come soon. It means you need not go there. जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. That he will come here soon. वो बहुत जल्दी यहीं आ जाएगा. It means This need not also express the sense of absence of necessity and obligation. That's all in this need. And after that, dare as a principal verb and as a defective verb. Dare as a principal verb, this show courage. And also whenever it is used as a defective verb, that the sense of this model has been changed to. The examples of the dare and we will discuss in the next lecture. That's all in this. Thanks and have a nice day.